All right, we're gonna make some chili tonight, right, Paul?
Right.
He's stoked. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna build a fire here with more wood than that, because we are not Jesus Christ. Chili, real simple. Here we go. Jacob cattle beans, cumin, pepper, coriander, and half a jalapeno. 1 bouillon cube. We added the water to it this morning, and we made our coffee. Here, tomato paste and meat product of your choosing, and or whatever is left over in the freezer that needs to be used up before somebody asks you, why the hell is this still here again? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We have here a little bit of Frank's Red Hot, ton of chili powder, and the other half of this jalapeno. Cross-utilizing, hoping for a difference in complexity in flavor. And last but of course never least, we'll be using Gordon, the beer from Oscar Blues Brewery in Lyons, Colorado. Delicious and can't go wrong. In fact, it even says right here, Candle Bliss, satisfy ya. So we're going to use that. We're going to go build a fire. We'll be back.